Hey guys, so you know my puppet Sven? He's one of my favorite puppets, but the only problem is I don't have any way of storing or displaying him. Like, at the moment he just lives in this little Omar box. So I was thinking of making a stand that displays him as he is on my hand. Ooh, that rhymes. Stand on my hand, yeah. Don't stand on my hand, please. So yeah, let's get started. Sweet! All done! So as you can see, it holds the puppet in the position that my hand would hold it, and I've got two little clips on the top that hold the legs in place. I also then went ahead and spray painted the whole thing white just to give it a more professional look. If you want to follow me on any social medias, all of those links are down below, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.